catch the flip, then it goes up quick.
Count it up. 1, 2. This the check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah. Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing wind while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stayed back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cutting wind short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Lama, red pajama in the booth, big drama. Turn it down, turn it up, Big Daddy morning saga. Came from pennies in the sofa to the charts, top dollar. Self-taught, killing, now they study every comma. Used to heat the same stew, 3 nights, 1 pot. Now the plate look like a painting, chef talk, that's art. G-Wagon in the snow, tank tracks on the block. Used to watch from the sidewalk, now I'm on in the lot. Legos on the desk, build plays brick by brick. Click, clack, stack, stats, every candle, every tick. Merging numbers with the nerve, yeah, I been my own script. Fibs on the chart, in a circle in my grip. I don't follow, I invented, I don't care if you agree. Unapologetic when I speak on the feed. You get feelings, I get fees, funding pace for my beliefs. From the basement to the beacon, I'm the voice you gotta meet. Big Daddy, Lama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big Daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, say my name. Llama, red pajama. Taught myself the game, turn the charge to a Bible. Saw fear in the wick, smell greed in the cycle. Mixing golden lines with the zones from the rise. You replace, I read people, that's the difference in survival. I see stops like targets, crowd thought like a map. I don't chase, I said traps, let them sprint into the gap. Got them psych, get sharp, every loss just better. Detached from the paper, then the profits come later. Breakfast segment, hot takes on the plate. Oh, yeah. Serve eggs, serve facts, both cook, both flame. Sip coffee in the studio, G-Wagon at the gate. From late night charge to my name on the gate. I got haters in the chat, but they never change the trend. They react, I anticipate, I was cashing while they pressing. Floor to the Forbes, every step I had to plan. Now my word move crowds like a wave from my hand. Llama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, Llama, red pajama. I don't flinch at the dip, I've been broken, I've been bruised. I don't fold on a tick, I decide what I lose. I don't marry any view, I just marry execution. My advantage is the calm in the middle of confusion.
Mind control, I choose what I feel. Crowd screams, I stay still. They see candles, I see wheels. One thought, one click, one meal. One cheap meals, all nights. In the taste of menu life. To the nickel sets for miles. To the chauffeur at my side. Same brain from the bottom, just upgraded how it fires. Now I host the whole arena while I sharpen my desires.
Llama, red pajama. Came from not a mantra. Big daddy in the morning, whole world on my program. I control my mind and I control the market drama. Say my name, Llama, red pajama. Heat of my hydro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Heat of my hydro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift, starting all over. I was starting to trip, took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again, took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again, took a little chip, one and shit, turned into a chip. We in and out quick. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head drop, heat of my head drop. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon blind. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, one and two and shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, one and two and shift. We in and out quick. Am I heat of my eyes, do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Am I heat of my eyes, do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. First 15, we gon' go. Big Daddy Mac, run the show.
Yeah, yeah. Wake up, charts up, coffee in my right hand. Marking out the high-low, lines on the white band. First ball, building it, I can feel the pace race. 15 on the clock, hard on the day trade. Range set, price press, I'm in prep mode. All beat, trigger, see it slip through that preload. Break, clean, I tagging. Wrist small, bag big, click once, sit back. Watch the green drip. Payouts hit, same time, New York buzzing. Phone light up, couple bands from a button. Group chat, yelling Max did it like that. Every little move coached by Big Daddy Max. Open and range breakout, we don't chase, we wait. First 15 on the clock, then we open the gate. Payout after payout, stacking up, relax. Freedom in my browser tabs, me and Big Daddy Max. Laptop, lakeside, sliders on toes out. Charts in the shade, whole squad on a day route. London, Tokyo, homies in the same place. Signals in the air, I can feel it when the range change. Trail start locking, let it run, don't beg it. Let the candle close strong, then we skim off credit. Withdraw screenshots, send it to the fan chat. Another little freedom check, caption with a laugh track. Used to punch clocks, now I punch in tickets. From the couch, from the plane, life moving quicker. Kids in the backyard, I'm watching while it tracks. Turn a 15-minute window to a life that never lacked. Open and rain breakout, we don't chase, we wait. First 15 on the clock, then we open the gate. Payout after payout, stacking up, relax. Freedom in my browser tabs, me and Big Daddy Mac. One ball, two balls, wait, then attack. Never rush, never chase, let it come back. One trade, two trades, hit, then relax. Living how I wanna live, all thanks to Max. Big Daddy Mac. Yeah. Big Daddy Max. Hit the target, then another one. Stack the wins up, let the money run. Log in, whole dashboard, son. Green on green, yeah, the day just begun. Hey. Woke up, check the phones on the nightstand. 3 screens lit, all bands in the right hand. Blue line touched, and it ran to the sky. Profit tag, tap out.
Educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Already Shorty, who's in the short? Oh my God!
Everybody to Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan the CSO, and Javi the Maestro. It's 2:45, May 29th. We're trading the last hour of the market. It is Friday.
Market doesn't have to do shit. Who said the market has to close strong? Well, it might still close strong. What did I say? What did I say? Just caught a little 30-point banger right there. Sorry, YouTube, you guys are late. Okay, saw it coming. Quantum Gang, hopefully you guys saw it coming. Just dropped a beautiful 30-point short right there in the blink of an eye, right as the show started. We're done. Goodbye, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the rest of your day. Be blessed. Have fun.
We got a print under 25. I'm in.
Let's fucking go, dude. As the show started, too. It's like lights, camera, action. Oh, man. I went on the 385, so we had a stack 1 and 2 minute level, 397, 385. Everything was pointing for a push down. I didn't expect it to be that violent. We just bounced off of that 5 minute level at 332. It was beautiful. No. Big impulse candle, so do expect some sort of challenge of it.
Aniki, you're allowed to. I talked to Doc. You can share my trade debate on YouTube. Yeah, share my trade of it on YouTube so they can see my entries. Let everybody see it. Let everybody see my entries.
Cool. Maybe a 3-bar down. Maybe. I don't know if I'm fully sold on it, especially with that 332 level. Yeah. Now, see, it's going to challenge some of that impulse candle.
Hey, Logan, can I have your trade of 8 sign in? Why the fuck would I want somebody who's probably unprofitable access to my funded accounts?
Jay Hooley, you caught that, baby? Let's fucking go, Jay Hooley. You owe me a big wet one when I see you, man. Time to make ranch. He's like, time to make ranch. What the fuck, Jay Hooley? Oh, dude. That was yeah, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. It breaks that 32 back to 312. Saucebox is down there. It's been bouncing off of Saucebox a lot, so let's see. Yeah, who's going to the Blitz, guys? Who's going to the Blitz? It's in a couple weeks already. I'm pumped. Can't wait. He owes me a big wet one. That's right. That's exactly what I said, LTMK. I will say it again. He owes me a big wet one. Could be anything. All right. Let your mind go wild. Yep. Sauce box is something I teach. That is one of my big major areas of interest. Big, beautiful area of interest. She's just hanging out now. What a beautiful short. Damn. Damn, son. Are we winning today, son? We winning today. Javier can have my soft box. I don't know about that, Zach. I don't know if I want that. Gold did the same drop. Let me see. Let me take a peek at gold. Yeah, it did. Look at that. Oh,
Logan, why share trade of it? You have nothing to prove? No, I don't. I feel like it.
Look at this gold. Look at this gold beauty. I love the discriminate on gold.
Can you request TBT pay at same day as passing buffer on a new pro? Yeah, if you pass the buffer and make money, you can request that day. It'll show up the next day. But if you hit it on a Friday like today, it won't be available until Monday.
Yep, gold triggered a nice little beauty too. So there's that some retracement of that impulse candle. So Quantum Gang always say, be careful with those impulse candles. You're gonna get some of it challenged. Then there goes already. Clean bounce off that 32. Can it break it? We are downtrending on the 5. We've been downtrending on the 5 since about 12 o'clock. So if that 332.50 breaks, we're gonna go make a new low, I think, for the current trend, not a new lower for the day. 290 area. SPX trying to break underneath orb, and Q's also breaking back. Here's 332 again. That needs to break though. Ooh. She's trying. She's really trying right now.
Break. Fuck.
5-minute candle needs to hold below that bitch. Then we could push down.
Slow down.
Yep. All right, 312, 307, that whole 300 area sauce box, so be careful there. That 5-minute needs to close underneath 332, I'm sorry. Doo-doo-doo.
How did everybody close out the month? How was everybody's month of trading?
Yeah. How did everyone? I made 200 too much, QDiz. That's a great problem to have. Go in there with a couple micros in and out, just like when you, have fun in the bedroom, in and out real quick until you get to your climax or wherever you need to get to. Sorry, what were we talking about again? Completely forgot. Ayo. There's the wifey with it's like my day is not finished unless I see my wife doing this in the chat. I have to see it. What Tradeify account? I blew my Tradeify competition account the first day. in like less than 2 hours. I have issues with the daily one. What issues are you having with the daily one?
I had one of my best months. One of my best months was this month.
Yep. Today is a sad day for me only because this is the first day in almost 2 weeks, or let's say 12 days. I do not get a payout today. I've had 12 days straight of payouts. Next one will come Monday.
I get a minute. I got to look through all my accounts, but I have at least 5,000 today.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
I'm going to be posting it, and you guys will see the payouts. I got a little thing I want to do. It's one of my biggest months. Not my biggest, but one of my biggest. That last payout goes to getting Logan a birthday present. We're like half a year away. Do you prefer sim funded or live? Depends on the live program.
Like whichever one makes money. They both make money. Yeah, that pushed right off that 332 right now. We might start getting trapped between 332 and 355.
Unfortunately,
that's what I'm looking at.
Unfortunately, I have nothing available for trades right now. Pretty bad because I'm stuck right in the middle of this range.
Yep, that's what I'm looking at. Until that 332 to the downside on the 5 breaks, ain't going nowhere. But this 5 minutes also trying to hold below 350s. Looks like we're gonna get a 3 push up, maybe a little 3Z up to the 50s.
Question, guys: how much maximum should we lose daily to know when I should stop? When you feel like you should stop?
Yep.
Depends on how many accounts you have. Depends on your drawdown. Depends on the size. Depends on your risk. Depends on a lot of things. It's a very vague question. How did you do this morning, Logan? Can you show any Trade of 8 replays? Most of my trades are on wealth charts. All of my trades are on wealth charts. I posted it though. I made.
Yeah, you post your shit on your students for your students, don't you?
Yeah. I made 10K this morning on my funded accounts.
Yeah, everyone killed it this morning. It was a great morning.
Let's see. Gotta be careful here. Make sure I don't fucking show anything I'm not supposed to.
There was that rejection at the 50. Couldn't make it all the way to the 50s. Failed 3Z. Failed bullish move on the 1.
Yeah. 9.3K across Alpha Future Fundeds, Apex, Tradeify, $9,300 across all my accounts this morning. They're all fundeds.
That's
you guys
amazing.
are curious. Funded. Those are PAs that got payouts. Alpha funded. So 10K across the fundeds. Yeah, and now I'm trading MFF fundeds. Strat 1 and Strat 2. Yeah, I was done trading 2 minutes into the market. Not even. I was done trading fucking a minute into the market. Something like that.
I basically don't know how to pass the daily Tradeify count. Yeah, take your time, Santan. Take your time. Don't race to it. Right? Everybody wants to remember, guys, a lot of these prop firms, there's the drop coming in. A lot of these prop firms have switched models from subscription based to one-time payment. There's no race. Oh my God, it's shorting. I may or may not have degened it into it on that top area. I mean, I'm working on evals here, so I'm not really worried. It's Friday. It's Friday. I'm having fun.
I just activated these, so I'm trading them.
Let's go.
All your accounts copy traded together. My wealth charts are 25 accounts all together. That's how I got my Apex 55K payout was on wealth charts, copy trading all of them together, using the same strategies that got me 10K today. Got me $200,000 in 8 days and a 55K payout. Students about it. Also, my students have a 77% had green this month, which is pretty good. 77% of my students were green this month. I want to do a little bit better, but a lot of them know why they weren't. The 23% know why they weren't red. They broke some rules. They didn't follow the psychology, but
let's see if these runners want to go. Yeah, like somebody asked, is there any drawdown if you become live? More rules, things like that. It's about the same. They give you, depends on the prop. Some of them give you limits, right? Some of them might give you a daily loss limit. Some might not. There might be contract size limitations. But everything else is the same. You hit, some of them you don't need to make a buffer. Some you do. It just varies on the prop. Most are same day payouts as usual. Every single one is usually same day payout. So it depends on the prop. They have a variation of live programs. So right now we just bounced off a sauce box at 318. I got a level at 312 and 307 below. Bottom of sauce box is 303. Then 288 will be below that if it manages to get down there. So far it's been acting wild around it. I'm looking at what SPX did have a golden MVG as well here at 573.94. I'd want to see that get rejected. I would want to see it just reject and continue the downtrend. If it breaks back in, that's going to be a big time failed bearish move and a break back into orb as well. But let's see what she wants to do here. Look at Pollen, 5 micro scaled into 10 in a few setups. The only dollar amount I aimed for was secured to require the $100, but trade the setups, not the money. Yeah, Pollen. Where's the course wait list? I'll sign up.
Yeah, Pollen has been very, very consistent in her trading. It's actually, she's doing very, very well. I'm very impressed. I've been seeing her.
All the mods have been killing it.
Yeah. I've been seeing her profits that she's been taking, and she's been very, very consistent. It's impressive. Not trying to put any pressure on you, Pollen. I'm just saying you're doing really well.
Now she's gonna go fuck everything up. Yeah. That's like you know what that's like, the commentary in sports, when this guy hasn't thrown an interception in 50 passes and then the next pass he immediately throws an interception. That's what we just did to you, Pollen. I'm sorry. We are so fucking sorry. Right? This guy hasn't fumbled the past 100 carries.
Nobody's watching. Nobody's watching her. It's just her. Nobody's watching her. It's just her against herself. She knows that.
Yeah.
Always. That's how the market is. It's you against you. Nobody else.
We just fucked her. It's okay. She'll get over it. The big short at the start of happy hour was 90 plus. What did you take? The big short at the beginning of happy hour, or was the 1 minute, 2 minute level creation? That's it. It was up here. I'll show it to you, Miami Tom. This was more so level play with the 5 minute rejecting the downtrend on the cloud. So just a couple confluences on that. Yeah, I'll post it right here, right? You see the 1 minute and there's a 5 minute. And you see where it rejected at the top area up at 400. Before I started curling down on the 1, I was waiting for that 2-minute to hold at 85, and I wanted it to break that 76 and just tanked below that. That was it. Saucebox, respected Saucebox. It bounced right off of it. Like, gotta always respect the Saucebox. So my runners got trailed out. And the MVG was filled as well. But if it... What was that? What was that noise? The fuck was that? I didn't click nothing. You ever give the Mighty 9 a try? The 9 what? Saying no? 9? Oh, anime? No, I'm like, what? The Mighty 9. No, I haven't yet. I haven't even heard of that one. Oh my god, look at that jump off the Saucebox. Holy shit. Oh my god, that was a beautiful 40-point jump off the Saucebox. Gotta respect the Saucebox. Everything else looked bearish, right? But the Saucebox prevails. I will never play against my Saucebox. I will be patient and wait for a break, but look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Number of power hour trades today, 1 million? Come on, man. You gotta add like another couple zeros to that minimum. Minimum couple more zeros on that. Blew so many accounts since I started trading in October. Learned so much along the way through though. Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry guys. When there's a big paragraph like that, this is where the dyslexia really kicks in with paragraphs like that. Learned so much along the way though. Started trading with Javi's indicator and traded paper for the past week to learn it. I took 2 little trades on an eval yesterday, and today I made a little over 50 on each trade. Had to have a mental reset this week. So tiny trades. Always so close and right when I get funded, I screw it up, buy terrible entries and fake breakouts. Building up confidence, and this is an indicator as confluence with pivots has worked this week with paper trading. Awesome. Good to hear that, Paige. That's what this is. This is what I built this for, is to give you those clear visual cues, right? We're not guessing. We're not trying to see where the play might go, where our entries are going to be, where a flip and trend is confirmed, all that. Who was it? I think it was Nick that said this was like the Fisher Price for like indicators or something like that, because it's visually directive. You got the colors, so you know what each one means. You got your setups, the signals for the A++, and then you got your levels. Holy shit, look at this long going. Oh my god. And I did not enter it. We got and look at this, guys. Again, right? It works on everything. Right? Look at this SPX signal, A++ SPX signal. Right? Those in the chat, right? Look at that SPX. And I know YouTube can probably see it if my screen's up there. Look at that A++ on SPX. Like, perfect. Thing just
top 68. Fuck it.
40 points. 40-point bounce from Saucebox is insane. This has to close over 46 on the 5. And maybe we'll see NQ try to break back inside of orb and challenge the rest of that big ass purple candle. Maybe, but this is the center point of the candle. This 62 area is the center point. So it's going to be, and it's right below orb. Special sauce. Yeah, Saucebox is not a part of Quantum, guys. Saucebox is its own thing. It's a major confluence of mine. That's something I teach in my coaching and soon the course.
Students, I'm not using ATM settings, obviously, so bear with me. I can't use the ATM settings because then everybody's going to see them.
God, Pooter, of course, Pooter B gonna make it extra special. They gotta compare sauce boxes sometime. God, man. Like sometimes you guys like I know I can get saucy, but you guys get like super saucy. Oh man. Pedro, if you join, you're gonna get pancaked.
Getting ready to jump in this long. I'm gonna go for a quick trade, or at least try and trim if we get through that, because I got a resistance level at 88.
I took it off the retest on that 2-minute area. Here, I'm gonna screenshot on here because I don't have the 2-minute on my freaking this thing. Well, I kind of do, but it's funky looking. Oh, got really close to it. Boom! Take it. Yes. Fuck you. Fuck you. It's get me my 15 points. It's like right there. Give me the 69. Give me the 69. It hit freaking 68.75. Wow. Just take it. Oh my god. She didn't want to give it to me. Okay, I'm just gonna
Not
trail
convinced.
this. Fuck it.
Not convinced yet.
It when it's like a dick for a tick like that, I'm just gonna move my trail and say fuck it because I see this coming. Yep. Well, it's either gonna trail my last couple out here or it's gonna take that one and I'll have one runner.
I'm taking it. It's fucking not moving. I'm not fucking forcing this. Nope.
Like she literally 1/4. It hit 69 on the dot. My 15-point TP was at 69.25. I'm going for a 15 on the second. I already took my 10. I have a 15 point up there just to see if it'll take it. And it like literally, oh my god, what a little bitch. She literally just right underneath it there. My one runner left. I'm gonna take that out there.
Why am I sharing trade debate today? Why not?
She gonna strat 6 me, but I still have one runner left. Oh no. No. She's gonna strat 6 me, watch. I mean, it's still bearish. It's still sitting on a downtrend, so wouldn't be surprised if it did reject the bottom of orb. I just wanted it to give a little more of a tap. Are we looking for long or short? We're looking for whatever the market gives us, knock. So far, I played that beautiful short, just caught a little bit of that little push up off the 2-minute, and then it's just paused right here. It's playing around this big ass candle, that big impulse sell candle that we caught. It's just messing around inside of that right now. So it could honestly go into either direction. We're right below the daily orb as well, that 15-minute orb from the morning. So it's currently rejecting it. And my last little runner is about to be taken out at 58. Ooh, survived. Oh, there, it's out. Never mind. And that was it. That was that little 13-ish point push. Just
Still showing a potential trade setup here.
it just strat 6 my ass. Watch it explode. It's breaking back into orb. You freaking dirty little whore. How dare you? How fucking dare you? If you hit 69, don't you fucking dare hit 69, you little freaking... Okay, I'm going to calm down now. I'm going to calm down. I don't want it to hit 69 now. Yeah, I don't want it. It's going to hit it. I just know it is, but I'm like, don't hit it, you bitch. What broker is that? That is Apex, and that is on Wealth Charts. Wealth Charts. All on indicators are there. You got one at 369. You got it at 369, man, Nick. My TP was 69.25. That's where my TP was for that 15 points. 69 and a quarter. Missed me by a fucking quarter. Oh man.
I get into this long. it's just hesitating so much right here, but I don't.
It's trying to break back inside of orb. That 5 minute can close inside. Maybe we'll get a little move.
Holding this area.
SPX is also hitting a 2 minute level at 75, 82, 66. Yeah, look at that. Does not want to hit. Does not want to break back in.
I'm not going to force it. I'm done. I'm not going to force it. It's too much hesitation. I'm not going to get into it. But it's just fucking, it's like, I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you.
Yeah.
I'm not, that's what it's fucking doing right now. It's like, I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. I'm like, dude, you're fucking pissing me off.
Justin, the best video to
Wants
watch
to
is
rip
the
so
breakdown.
badly.
I feel like it does too. The best video to watch for anybody new to Quantum is the webinar video. The webinar video is always a must. Yeah, PHP indicator is going. Yes, all our indicators are proven and goated too. So yeah, PHP is goated as well. What is the records? SPX showing more strength than NQ? Somewhat. Yeah, it is pushing up more, but it is right now stalling out at a level. And that's what I think NQ is reacting to SPX stalling out at that level. I see this a lot when I do my SPX reading. It's NQ's waiting to see if SPX is going to break that level or not. And here I can show you what my SPX looks like. All right, that level right here. The manual video is a little bit outdated though, because the settings were old and we did the update. So be careful with any settings on older videos. I'm going to make a new updated one soon. Let's see. Let's go to the other chat. I don't want to ignore everybody. The red and green candles are using PHP indicator. Yeah. Cannot do wealth charts personally. NT is home. Ninja Trader. Yeah, I mean you do what fits for you. Trading Trade of 8 is pretty much that as well. NQ flipping a little bit strong now, but it's still just hanging out.
I got my finger on this fucking trigger, and I'm committed. I don't care anymore, unless I see a bearish candle, like a bearish closing candle.
Yeah, gotta try them.
All right, we're just gonna test this. Fuck it.
She's trying. Oh man, I'm
67.
Right, breaking back inside. This is a brand new 5 minute candle though. It is super hesitation here at that 69 area. She hit 69 and a quarter. How dare you? How dare you strat 6 me and then hit it? Are we going to get the push down now though? I mean, we're still in the 5 minute now looks funky. The 5 minute looks undecided because we're somewhat in a downtrend and somewhat in an uptrend. So the 5 minute is very undecided. We have a higher low here, but we also have a lower high over here.
What do we got? This is 20 points. What is this?
So super chop zone. Be careful. Like look at that. Look at the 5 minute. Look, there's that rejection of that 69. The 1 minute's telling me this wants to pull down, but to 44, and 44 is.
As soon as I entered you know what's funny? As soon as I entered, the trade invalidated with this candle right here. This is an invalidation in the long. As soon as I fucking entered, it's like, just kidding.
It's still undecided. Me, this could still go either direction, brother. This could go either direction.
I know.
Like, it pop up.
Right now, the long is no longer validated because of this candle. But it popped up, so fucking whatever.
Yeah, that 5 minute just looks horrible. So it's this right now could go. I mean, I'm gonna look at the 15 minute right now.
So annoying.
This could go either direction of what I'm seeing right now. Man, the 15 minute looks like it wants to go up a little bit, but I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like looking at the higher time frame. So we rejected
Now
orb
we have a
again.
PHP signal short. Now we have a PHP signal short.
Yep. Looks like the 1 minute is prevailing right now because the 1 minute did look like it wanted to push down, but that 5 minute looked undecided. SPX rejected that level. This is what I'm saying. Like NQ waiting for what SPX is gonna do. But that 44 needs to break on the 5. Or we're just gonna keep ranging.
All right. I'm going to be more patient this time now.
So right now, I would want to see what's gonna hold here. What's gonna be respected? Are we gonna stay under that 68? Break 44, make our way down to 27.
Boring.
Or are we just gonna keep ranging, dude? Yeah, this is. Oh man, 5 minutes giving a purple boy now potentially if it can stay. Nope, never mind. Yup, it's trying. 5 minutes trying. It's forming a purple boy, so it's gonna look berry again. Yeah, there's that push. There's 244. There's 44. Whoops. Bounce right off. Hit 42 and bounce. Can it keep going?
Full under 40. Come on.
Yep. Nope. Hard bounce off of 44. Very hard bounce. Look at that. And it's undecided, dude. This is right now very undecided. I have nothing clean either. Now we're gonna get a 1 minute range. Basically 44 to 68 is the range right now. 44 to 68. Doo-doo-doo. Which side is gonna break? Which side is gonna break? And we just chill. Okay, got a question. What is up with TikTok and thinking that fireworks is considered like terroristic or some shit?
They fucking flagged me for everything.
Dude, like we posted a video with when we were in Paraguay shooting those fireworks and it flagged it considering it was. So I'm like, is the 4th of July now considered terroristic too? Like you can't post 4th of July shit? Like what the fuck? So they flagged us. They flagged our shit. I'm so pissed about that.
Getting real tired right now. I'm about to just click buy.
Just
Hold
ranging.
it. I'll just click buy and hold it.
Needs to break back inside of orb and break that 68 area on both the 1 and the 2. And then above that we have 85. So if it does break that, we can push 85 and then we need to break 85. And maybe we'll make it back up
This
to
is fucking long. I
415.
wanted it for.
Like, what? You got I posted a video of my pup chewing a dog toy that was a joint, flagged for suicide. What the hell? That makes no sense. Oh, still ranging.
Actually, I think it's going to go
Go
up now that
rejection.
it's filled that gap. Watch. I think it's going to go up. Watch.
I'm trying to see which one's going to be respected. If it respects 56 next, maybe it's going to start respecting the blues. But for the time being, I still feel like this is in a ugly ass range. Right below the bottom side of orb. SPX is trying to break a level at 70, 75, 81, 16. And then it still needs to break that 75, 82, 66. She's trying. She's trying to get through that 68 area again. She needs to close above it. Need to get a candle closure above it. SPX is already challenging that level again. NQ is very hesitant. Very, very hesitant. Like it's not buying that SPX is going to break it just yet. Still closed below. Still closed below, so there kind of it's going already a little bit. How can it? All right, is she gonna go? She's going already a little bit. 85 is that next area for me. If she can
I'm going
hold
to
up
trim
here.
before each PHP level. I knew I shouldn't have been stopped out on that initial long. I just got strat sixed. So I saw a gap fill, pull up, pull back up, market structure set up, play the long. Let's see what happens here. Unless it just wants to do it again, wicked
Goated
flick me.
strat. Yeah,
Could just
it's
wicked
the
flick me
goated
right now.
strat. It
Could do it
barely
again.
closed above that 67. You want to see it start to hold above 65, 64 now. If it breaks back inside, it's just going to continue to range. So you want it to hold above 64. The 2 minute did not close above that 68 yet. The 1 minute did. The 2 minute has not. So the 2 minute's going to be the deciding factor. Look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. That 2 minute has to close above. SPX also getting surrounded. This is looking still, to me, still very indecisive.
So annoying. Fridays.
Yep. So I have to wait for the confirmations. Just super choppy. SPX is stuck between 75, 81, 77 and that 82, 66. Failed to break it again. Yeah, NQ kind of saw it coming. Look at that. NQ saw it coming. Still in the range. Look at this, right? I'm going to show you guys this. That level that it rejected at before still did not break. NQ tried. Right, there it goes again. It's gonna go for it again. It's still just undecided. They're having a little fight right now. If SPX can break that level, NQ should follow suit. That was a nice wick and flip, bro. You might be good. That wick and flip can hold. SPX is trying to break that level right now. There it goes. Okay, the level's about to be broken. If it can hold up here, it's going for that midline now. NQ is still very hesitant. Still very hesitant, but it's going a little bit. So finally, SPX ripping through it. Finally, and then Q is following suit.
$15 Give me the. Oh, I went for 25 points. Ballsy. Fuck it, Asia. 25 points
Fuck
during
at this point, yeah.
25
You held on
points.
this long.
Ah, fuck it. I just realized how big that is. I realized that. Fuck it. 25 points Friday evening. It's kind of crazy.
Dude, yeah, you held out this long. This might as well now.
Fuck it.
So, golden MVG on SPX on the bottom. Let's see if it gives that continuation push through the next level at 84.75. Through 84.75, I don't have anything on SPX until 589.76. NQ 85, 385.
Hey, come on.
There
Come on.
you go, baby.
Come
There
on.
you go, baby.
Come on.
Finally.
Come on. Almost 20 points. There we go.
Go.
Just
go,
tap it in. Just
go.
tap it
go.
in.
Get to the 85. Get to the 85.
Just
There you
tap
go,
it in.
baby. There you go. There you go, baby. Yeah. Oh, it almost got there. 84 and a quarter.
Diabolical. Diabolical.
Very.
Diabolical.
Dude, you guys sleeping on MVG, guys. Like, look, the MVG saw it coming. That golden MVG appeared, and we saw that push. Look at this. All right, you guys saw that in the morning show too. Do not sleep on MVG, guys. Like that push, golden MVG came in, and then boom. But I can't believe, bro, 84.25. Shit. Come on.
Bro, you're not that close to the PHP level. Just fucking go. Don't be a fucking.
Just go.
I'm not gonna be a dick for a tick. Fucking goddamn it. So annoying.
What? Again, right? You held out this long. Might as well. Might as well hold it. Why the fuck not?
Bang.
There it is.
Boom.
There's the 3R. 3B,
Perfect.
3Z up.
Perfect.
Yeah, baby.
Perfect.
3Z up. Let's go.
Perfect. TP hit. Now let's be smart. We're gonna trim.
Let's
We're
go.
gonna trail.
Rip it. It's ripping.
There we go.
Oh shit. I didn't even show you guys that I was also in this bitch. Let's fucking go. I rode this thing with you, bro. I was like, fuck it. 397 is next. If it can get up there. It almost got up there. I want to pull back. We got it though. We got that hit. We got the hits.
I got the major trim. I trimmed half my contracts there. I'm not upset. I'm good. I'm chilling.
I got one runner left. Yep, I got one runner left just to see. I want this 5 minute to hold above 85. Then we could potentially challenge 97. But the 85 needs to hold.
I don't think Logan has been reading this chat, but I was wondering if the discipline he learned in the military helped him become a profitable trader because he's entering a trade with a level of discipline. Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Zero emotions. You have no go in. If I was going to lose that trade, I was going to lose that trade. Like, yeah, I'm showing my trade of 8. Like, it is what it is. I know my shit works. I'm pulling out $60,000 this month with less trades than I've ever taken. This is my. That's what I was going to post on my page and everything. I took this in my entire trading career. The year and a half that I've been trading, May this year, I have taken less trades than I have ever have before, and it's one of my most profitable months ever. One of my most profitable months ever, and I took less trades than I ever have before. And it's because of just focusing on the setups and strategies. My students know this. We go play by play during the morning open, and I'll literally be like, "I'm not taking this trade. There's no trade," and I'll call it a day.
97 incoming. Oh, so close. There it is.
Give me that 400. Give me that 400.
Rip through that. You could see 419 next. If the 5 minute can hold above 85, rip through 97. I'm trailing it close already though, just because right under 85.
Logan, when I go back to trading mastermind, I get super profitable.
Go.
Yeah, in a way, yeah. Definitely. Yeah. I just wish Max knew about Orb and the one and done. You know what I mean?
When I go back to trading Master, I get him from. Oh god, there's 97, baby. There's 97. Can we break through this? We'll keep going.
And next
419.
GP, you guys are watching it live. These are funded accounts, right? No faking the
shit.
biscuit.
Hold on. I got 40175. I didn't mark these on my frick. I marked them on wealth charts.
I realized that I probably should have brought my stop loss under
Okay,
the
we're
400.
gonna hit a bed.
Fuck it.
All right.
And hit
90,
it.
all right, that 97.25 needs to break on the one. Then we got 401.50, 408. I didn't mark these purple
Hit it.
boys.
Next trim right here.
And
Hit
419.
it. Go, you dirty bitch.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Go.
Boom. Still got that one runner floating. Would love to see a break.
How many points? 40 points. 40-point trade,
Yeah,
I just realized. Nice.
This was when you got in. You got in well before I did. I got in after.
That's very rare. That's very rare.
Yeah.
Very rare.
But we wrote it, bro. We wrote it, bro.
Logan, how many contracts did you enter with? I entered with 10 contracts, 10 micros per account. I group traded.
It just broke that.
And boom, there's the next trim.
400.
Now we're trailing. Now I'm stepping away. Now I don't care what happens. Now I got the auto trail kick in.
Come on, rip. Ooh, just rejected on that 401.75. Needs to break these next two, 401.75 and 408. Those are those next two little barriers on the 1 minute.
Bounced right off of, look at that. Bounced right off of my 5-minute level. Perfect bounce. That's why I wanted to trim there. And then I set the auto trail for the opportunity that it does rip through it. Cool. I got 2 micros left. But you saw the rejection there? Boom. Ooh, now look at that.
Yeah, baby. Oh, 408 deck.
There we go.
Get up
50
there.
points. It's going.
There's a 408 tap. There's the 408 tap. Brips through 408. Then we can see 419. Get close to it.
Ripping. I kind of have an opportunity to scale here. No, it's Friday. I don't know. What do they call it on Fridays? Fridays for what?
Oh, baby. Fridays for profit taking, not for.
Fridays for profit taking. I'm not going to get greedy. I'm not going to scale.
Oh, let's go. Let's go, bro. We're up 50 points, bro.
Up 60 points. And we're ripping. And we're
There
ripping.
we go, guys. Look at that.
Live.
Look at that.
In front of you guys. On Tradeovate. No bullshit. Ripping. Just like that. Can you explain how you set up the auto trail? I cannot. Sorry.
Nope. Take the course, bro. Take the course. Look at
Let's
go.
Let's
get to 419.
Look at us go.
Come on, let's get to 419. Let's rip through 419. Next will be 433. But that's a 5-minute level and midline. I got trailed out right there. I got trailed out. Yeah.
$1,800.
Let's fucking go, man.
Let's go. Called out a fucking 60-point trade.
Let's fucking go, dude.
Live, baby. On the Tradeovate. Live funded accounts. No bullshit. Bang.
Beautiful.
Easy money. You see that? You guys remember I took the initial long, I got stopped out, right? I didn't sit there. I didn't bitch. I didn't complain. I didn't cry. I said, fuck it. It's all right. The play presented itself again off of some other stuff. And I said, you know what? This makes sense, right? Fill the gap, break of structure, play back in. I'm going to be 100%. Yeah.
I'm going to keep going. There's going to
cool
be the 19. It's strat 6 me out. There's 19. Boom. There's 19. There it is.
Here's another trade.
I got taken out already.
PHP trade is presenting right now. This is another PHP trade setting up. You got at least 20 points of room, but I'm calling it now.
Like, look at this SPX. Look at this SPX thing, guys. That golden NVG on SPX is very telling. Very, very telling. As soon as I saw that golden NVG, right? We saw this in the morning show too. What did I say? This could get ready to pop. Look at the explosion
What
on
the
SPX.
fuck are these pictures? Hey, look
Yeah,
at
look
everybody.
at
How
that.
did you set up Auto Trail? How did you set up Auto Trail?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Take the course.
Sorry, guys.
Jerk. The fucking course. It's worth it.
Yeah, I didn't even have my ATM settings on because then you would have been like, holy fuck, that's insane. Sorry, guys. It's honestly, it's one of the first things that I developed when I was building my own strategy.
God, what a ripper, bro. Look at this thing still going.
Yeah. There's an entry point here at the
Wow.
22.
Look at that. 33 would be next if it can hold over 419 on the 5. After 33.45, I'm sorry, 33.35 after that, I don't have anything until 484. 484 bottom, and the top side of Orbor is 461.
For all the people that were like, Logan, why are you on Tradeovate? That's too scared. Like this says, no. I said I asked if I could do it, and they're like, yeah, go ahead.
Oh man, look at that. Hit 30 and a quarter.
Wow,
Hit 30
still
and a
going.
quarter.
I told you guys the 22 is the next entry. 22 is the next entry. Up 10 points already. But I'm happy. We caught 60 points on a Friday.
Yep. Fuck that, dude. We're good, man. Look at that. There's almost a 33 tap right there. It's where it's pausing right now. 33, 35 are the next 1 minute, 2 minute levels. It needs to break through. There's
Mohammed Muzamil Hussein. Can you share your ATM settings?
Oh my gosh, guys.
Mohammed?
They all want the sauce for free.
Inshallah. I mean, sign up for the course.
There you go.
Allah
The win
Akbar.
rates for the indicators, I mean, they're up there. Both, you guys see what me and Logan do on Power Hour Live every freaking day. We both have plenty of traders for PHP and Quantum that have very high win rates. I honestly don't look at percentages. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Let me take a look at one of my accounts from today.
Striker, you did the high ATMs.
Yeah,
That's crazy. Yeah, good shit though.
Let me take a look at a handful. Oh man, I didn't even touch these accounts. Wow, go figure. All right. This is one of my funded. Let me see what the report is on this. Today, go. Nope, I traded this one yesterday. See, this one was 65 on this account. Let's go to the
Beautiful
next
exit,
one.
too. Beautiful exit. I'm happy with that exit.
This one was 79.
ATM settings also sets up your stop loss. It sets up multiple TP stop loss and trails with the click of a button. I didn't do it here because you would know what my ATM settings are. I didn't do it here. Instead, I just added the auto trail or a auto trail. That's why, this is why when people are like, Logan, why don't you show your Tradeovate? Because if I show my Tradeovate and how I really trade, you're going to see a large part of my trading. You got a fraction of it just now. I don't like trading like this. I don't like trading like this at all because I had a group trade and everything like that to show you guys. I don't like trading like that. I like using ATM settings. Tradeovate doesn't let you. It doesn't let you group trade with ATM settings, but from what I've heard, they're working on it. So I use wealth charts most of the time. Is what you do in the pre-market with students extra, like in P2P, or does it come with the course?
79. Yeah, so
trading
today I would say
all pre-market now. Sorry.
No, you go, bro. Yeah, like the win rate, like I trade all my accounts separately. So I had a couple at 64, the majority of them over 70%, 71, 79. One of the accounts was actually at 50%. So, but almost all of them are still 67. So it just varies on the setups. I see them, I take it 71.43. And this one is
beautiful setup. Tap the 22
68.06. Oh. This one is 90.32. Right. And remember, I don't copy trade. I don't copy trade at all. So like each one varies a little bit with where the market might be and what the conditions are, and some setups don't play, some do. So some of these accounts are over 70. That one was 90%. So yeah, it varies.
There's another, and then if you took the next trade setup, 22 points, came up another 18, 19 points almost. If you took the PHP second trade setup, back to back.
Oh shit, we're still ripping. We're over 33 already. Oh damn. There you go,
Yeah.
guys. Well, yeah.
This is a big resistance level though. This 48 is a big resistance level.
Let me see. Do I have anything here I didn't mark up? I have 40. I have a candle here I didn't mark up. God, man, I took a lunch break. I didn't mark up any candles that happened after 12. So I have a candle here at 40 and a quarter on the 2-minute. Above that, 510, but you have levels in between still. Let me take a look at my 1-minute. I know on the 5-minute I don't have anything major until all the way that level up there, and then bottom side of, or the top side of today's orb. The 1-minute has one here. What is this one? Let me mark this guy. This one's
if you're
40
gonna
and a
get
quarter.
into this PHP trade, you need to be careful. This is a 15-minute level. This is a very strong level, right? So it's not impossible for us to break through it, but this trade setup I would never take because it's too risky. Now, here's the plus side. Because this blue dotted line is so close to this white line, all you really need is one candle to rip through both, and then you can enter. Because now it's popped through the entry level, popped through the 15, and now it's validated and you can get in. But you don't want to get in before this 15-minute level. So much free sauce.
If this stays underneath that 40, yeah, this is going to come down. I was going to say right now. And if this 2-minute closes underneath 28, we're going to come down even further.
Complete rejection off of that.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to hang out here for a little bit. What time is it? Oh, we're close to MOC already. All right, so right now we might have the MOC level, guys, at 39 and a quarter. So we might have the MOC level at 39 and a quarter. So that's what's going to be where we're going to watch for rejection or for a break. Right now it's rejecting. And this is going to be, again, for those that didn't understand what I saw yesterday's MOC, it's that level is the closest level created. Even if it gets broke, right now it's at 39. Even if it gets broken to the top side, this is going to be the closest thing I have. So if this 39 gets broken, but then the MOC closes underneath 39, I'm shorting it, right? If it closes above 39, I'm longing it. It's that simple. But this is the closest thing we have. I don't have any 1-minute levels until 365.75 and nothing above. I have a 2-minute level up here at 527.25. But this is the only 2-minute levels, the only 1-minute level I have for MOC, 439, 365, which is insane that it's all the way down there. So Friday MOCs, be careful. Sometimes they don't do much. Sometimes they'll give you a little move, then go the opposite. Right? This is how Friday's gonna be. If you guys are green, if you caught that short with me at the beginning, if you caught that long with Logan right now, you should be fucking happy. Be fucking green. Don't go into the weekend all pouty faced because of MOC.
Green on every single account today.
Every single account. Not a single losing trade.
One of my biggest months ever with the least amount of trades. Very happy. Very happy.
Look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. All right, it's got room to go. If MOC keeps going, it keeps going. Right now, we're far away from the level, but I would want to see it retest for MOC. Look at that hard rejection. Look at that. Already 15-point rejection. SPX is racing down. Racing down. And there it goes. Look at that.
We could completely fill this movement all the way up. Yellow
candle. I'm telling you. Yeah. I got one runner running. I actually took this on this. Right. Oh my God. Oh my God. Fucking hell. I already got in on that 36 area. I got one runner running. That's 39 was the area right now. So be careful. It could retest. MOC loves to retest. So it could spike up, retest 39, and then reject. So I'm just letting my runner do its thing. It's about to get trailed out here above 29. And then I'll reassess if it goes to retest 39. That's simple. All right, runner's taken out. And if it keeps going, it keeps going. If I get a retest of that level, I'll test it out. I was 3 points away from passing my first eval, and that 1145 FU candle lost me 600. That means you were oversized for 3 points. You were very oversized to let that happen. Got to control that for 3 points, bro. Like, you got to be very patient.
All of my profit trying to short right now. Why are you trading still if you're green? It's Friday. The market's open for 1 more hour. Really, it's going to die down in the next
I don't
12
see an
minutes.
candle anywhere.
Why are you guys trading still if you're green after a 60-point long called out?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't get why, I don't get what they're doing.
I'm going to be straight up with you. You will never be profitable if you continue to do that. I'm just letting you know. I'm going to be straight up with you because you're greedy and you can't accept.
Lost all my profit trying to short that right now. I got in up at the 39 area. Look, we're retesting it. This is what MOC does. It retests the levels. 39 is the level. Below it, I like it to go down. Above it, obviously up. You shorted it at the bottom. That's what he did. Right? We're hugging 39 again. What are we going to do here? Is it going to break up, right? We still have, what time is it? 49, 1 minute. So where this 1 minute candle closes, either above 39 or below 39, that's where we're going to go. But be very, very careful, small size.
Okay, I was green and I was trading, but I have to, it was the power hour. So I decided you guys didn't see any trades. Do you want me to log on and say, oh, I'm up $200 on the power hour? No, you think I'm a fucking furu. So instead, I'm going to sit there, pull up my Trade-A-Bait and trade live.
So this guy
I'm green on fucking all my accounts, right? But I'm not worried about popping my accounts because I'm profitable and I'm a good trader. You got people here who are upset that are up green on a 60-point trade and then pop their accounts. It's their fault.
Here we go. 15 seconds. It's below 39. Expect a retest. It's hugging it. Right now, I'm into contracts short for the time being with my stop loss at 42, just in case. That might be tight. It could push up, and there goes. Okay, it took me out. It took me out, you bitch. This is where it's careful, right? Right now, it took me out, and now it looks like it wants to long. This is what Fridays do now. It's fighting the 39. Yeah, it's fighting the 39. It took me right out immediately. This is Friday MOC effery. Below 39, I like it to go. And I will re-enter it.
There's my discipline for you
guys.
I
am in it. I'm in it. It took me out again. I just got strat 6. Bitch! I just got strat 6.
Tashar, good job. Welcome, Tashar. Thank you for being here since January.
Oh, wait. Yes! My other account's still in it. I got it on the other account, too. Early on, before MOC happened. Fuck yeah. Okay. I'm still in it on that account. But there it is. Bounced around 39. Stayed below. There's your drop. I'm going to trail on this one. Fuck. The other one, I got strat 6 hard on the other one. There it is, right? Did not close above 39. Stayed below. Now let's see if this thing can keep going. Fuck yeah. Holy shit. There goes 2 micros running almost $100. Bada bing, bada boom. It's fighting that 39. I got strat 6 on the other account. There it goes. Woo! Candle closed below. Got strat 6 on the first one. The other one was still in it. And played out, did not close above. There's your MOC read. Quantum Gang, I hope you guys saw that. Oh, wait, shit, I didn't post here. There he goes. There's the 2 micros at the 39. That's it. That was it, guys. If it closed above 39, I would have entered long. It did not close above 39. And I got just trailed on that pull up right now. I got trailed out. I'm out. Done. Got 20 points off of that. Awesome. Done. right? Could keep going. The 2 minutes triggering for potential. It's at the midline of orb. SPX is also challenging that golden MVG it formed earlier. So it
46
depends what
likes.
SPX does.
The fuck?
Yeah, I know.
46 likes
After
is
catching bangers?
disrespectful.
Very
About to not get
disrespectful.
shit. YouTube's about to not get anything. Is Hobby demonstrating that greed you were talking about? No, Hobby is a different human being. Hobby
What?
is a very rare breed where he is able to take
What greed?
just.
I'm the
still
least
trade.
greediest. I'm the
Yeah,
least greediest here.
Hobby
What the
also
fuck?
trades- Yeah, Hobby also trades a fraction of the size I do, and Hobby has a system that works for him. Most
Like,
of
how
you
do you
don't.
speak out of your ass from someone without knowing who that person is? I am the nickel and dime king here, right? Everyone makes fun of my 1 point TPs. What the fuck, greed? Like, my payouts are like 1,800 to 2,000 like a day this last 10 days. But I'm not a greedy person. I don't flex. I don't do none of that shit. Learn your role, motherfucker, whoever you were. I don't even know who that was, but look, it's still shorting.
Hobby also does trade one account at a time. I traded 3 accounts
And
at
I
once.
trade one account. Exactly. I do not copy trade. So fuck you, whoever said that.
Thanks,
I'm the
fellas.
least
Just found the
greediest
Discord this
motherfucker.
week. Just found the Discord this week. Much more comfortable trading. You guys are awesome. God bless. Have a great weekend. Thank you, T. Davis. You as well.
Look at the short still shorting. Oh my God. Who's still in this? Look at the 2 minute. The 2 minute gave you the continuation signal. SPX just filled that golden MVG, so be careful now. Be careful. Look at, come on. So Quantum Gang, I hope you're starting to understand the MOC reads. Literally the 1 minute play. That's the MOC is the 1 minute play. Simple. It's got room to go all the way down to the freaking 43. Can it get down there? I don't know. I'm already out of it. I don't freaking care if it does. But everyone should be so fucking green right now. Except for that one guy who decided to YOLO it at the bottom before MOC pulled up. Sorry for you, bro. Just hit a level
I
2
think it's time to give away some shit.
What is a good tick amount for ATMs? I don't know. Junes. I don't use ATMs at all.
All of them.
XPX,
All the ticks.
XPX just bounced all the ticks. Yeah.
All of the
SPX
ticks.
just bounced off the level that caused NQ to bounce. All the ticks. Every single one of them. Yeah. Just like Logan said.
Maximum amount of
Dom's
ticks.
going nuts.
All right. Let's give away some shit.
Yeah.
Javi, you good?
These guys know me. Look, Bax, he gets excited for $120. Exactly. I get excited for 120, $200, $250. So Bax, you know me.
Oh, because I said infinite all the ticks. Yeah.
I'm a super controlled degen. That's right, Paulin. I'm the most controlled degen of all the degens.
Which do you like better, Tradeovate or Wealth Charts?
I like both.
Both.
I really do like wealth charts with the ease of the way the setups are. Especially I really, really, really enjoy wealth charts mobile trading. Like a lot more than I thought I was. Like those little buttons they added, I can't wait. Rob tagged me as soon as I left because I left and he tagged me on a message and I read it afterwards that they got another set of updates coming and there's one thing that I've been asking for him to do with. I don't want to say it just yet because I want to wait to see if it's implemented correctly. I'm excited. I'm excited as hell for the next
YouTube. All right, Hobby, let's give away a free month on some of our shit today. How about that?
Fuck yeah, let's do it.
It's the last day of the month. Let's do it. YouTube, we're going to give away a free month of any indicator. Word of the day, May. For the month of May. May. On YouTube. Pick hard words today. Okay. All right, I got it. After this, I'll do the next word.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
It's not a real word, but I got something much better. I got something much better. Watch.
Go ahead.
Don't worry, Paul. I got you. I got you. I'm going to do it on the next one once this one is finished. What time did we put it in? Who put it in? I'm curious to who put it in.
Yeah, who put it in?
Damn. All right, let's see how Korean you are, Athena. All right, while we're waiting for that, let's see. Let me stop sharing my fucking shit. While we're waiting for that, let's get a number on the Discord, Hobby.
All right, first number 227. 227.
So
SPX needs to break that freaking 581.77, and we might see that race down to that 65, that 1 minute level. Because MOC is usually those 1 minute levels that it loves to go challenge. But SPX just broke it actually. Oh.
I think this is the guy that was like complaining about something.
Nah,
I don't know. But he's
leave
coming
him
up.
alone.
Winner on the YouTube is D Boardman 970. Wow, Dabula, you beat me to it.
Boardman.
Dabula beat me to it. The next word, I gotta delete that. Fuck, you just Dabula, you ruined it. It's Pneumona ultramicroscopic volcano consinioniosis. But you ruined
What the fuck?
it. It's the world's longest word. I actually knew that this word, but he ruined it because he typed it.
Say it again.
All right, next word is Pneumona ultramicroscopic volcano consinioniosis.
Pneumona, but
Pneumona ultramicroscopic volcanoiosis.
Nope, I can't.
Everybody's just copying and pasting it, but he fucking ruined it.
Pneumona,
I wanted to fucking
thunder, volcano, scopic.
It's what it is it's a disease that you get from getting ash from volcanoes into your lungs.
Oh shit.
What the fuck did you just call me?
Okay, I'm gonna try to read what Athena wrote. Pneumona No, I can't do it. Microscopsilica laka noises. No, I can't do that fucking word.
Pneumona ultramicroscopic volcano consinioniosis.
I can barely do supercalifragilistic. There goes. I can't. Supercalifragilistic. I can't do it. Fuck it. I can't do that shit anymore. Fuck. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. There we go. Fuck if I don't think about it.
It's not a real word though. But pneumona ultramicroscopic.
I know it's not.
Consinioniosis is.
But still, fun word to say. Thank you, Mary Poppins. Mary Poppins, y'all.
Logan Vickery on the YouTube. It's funny. Your name is Logan. Congratulations, dude. Or girl. I guess technically you can go both ways. Congratulations. All right. Logan, you traded the MFF funded. So if you take out your profits, let's say Monday, would it keep the buffer at the same at 2,000? I have flex accounts, so I have to do it every 5 days. But whatever I take out is above buffer. No, there's no buffer. It's just 5 days. So I got to check. Did Athena spell it correctly? Colin, so somebody, ironically enough, ruined it for you, and they typed out the word before I even said it. They looked up the longest word, which is that, and then he beat me to it. And so she just got to copy and paste it. Yeah, but was it correctly spelled? It was.
Yeah, that's yeah. Yeah, my wife has not let that go. When I tried to say 223, whatever, fucking, I don't think. God,
Javi, what's the next word for YouTube? And let's do another number on the Discord.
Next word for YouTube. Let's do. No, we're not gonna spell out anything crazy, right? All right.
If you want. Make it Spanish.
Nah,
Make it Spanish.
Okay, fine. Okay. All right, let's do chingon. Chingon. Because we're the chingones, right? We're the shit. Chingon.
I was hoping you were gonna do something like complicated. Well, it's too late.
Shit,
all right, let's do another.
You're speaking to the wrong person for complicated words.
Yeah, true. All right, let's do another number for the Discord.
Oh shit!
3,
Yeah, my bad.
You're good.
All right, 256. 256.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 22, 23, 24, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jason. The The SLIC stands for Sweet Leaf Indian Chief.
Sweet
Me?
Leaf Indian Chief.
I'm here, guys. I'm here.
What
Are you Indian?
West Indian. There's a difference.
the fuck does that mean?
So we were the ones who were rebellious, and they had to let us off on an island before we got to America.
Right.
I'm so
Gotcha.
confused.
Gotcha.
I'm like, what?
How's your train
Yeah.
going, bro?
Indian.
Pretty good. Up 400 for the day.
Let's
Can't
go.
complain. CSO all the way, man.
Fuck yeah, bro. Real quick, YouTube, Internet Clips. Internet Clips, Z, congratulations. Open up a support ticket. You got access to any indicator free for an entire week. Nice. So, Jason, I'm guessing you took. Oh, did we lose him?
Oh yeah, he left. But I think Mary Jane got it right. He's West Indian, so is that what we call Californians now? West Indians?
I don't know. What happened? I think we lost Jason.
Yeah, all the Mexicans over there are now going to be called West Indians. It's like, orale, way, where you from? Man, I'm from California, way. Oh, you one of them West Indians. Like, what? Yeah, orale, West Indian. I've never heard that before.
Did he fucking leave the fucking.
Yason. His name is Yason. It's not Jason. It's Yason.
Am I tripping?
Gotta say it right, because he's from California.
Make sure I didn't like.
Everyone over there, Yason. ¿Cómo está, compa Yason?
All right, mods, just take care of Jason. I don't know. Still here. I think he got. Maybe something died because he's not watching anymore. Just take care of Jason. Have him open up. Phone must have died or something. Yeah. Have him open up a support ticket and give him access to any indicator free for an entire week. All right. Thanks, guys. Cool. Great way to end the week. Phenomenal way to end the week. End the month, right? I'm excited to look at my payouts and everything calculated and everything like that. Great power hour. I got to show you guys the trade debate. I got to show you guys the fucking entries, the stop loss, the TPs, the call outs, a loss, and then a fat fucking win. Green on it, right? I made over $1,000 on the power hour. Beautiful in a single trade. Easy money, right? If you guys are interested in the CSO battalion, 50% off if you are a veteran, active duty, first responder, healthcare worker, or a teacher. Everything else, check out our website, maxoptionstrading.com, and you guys can see all the coaching and everything else. With that being said, no Alpha account sponsored today. Are we sponsored by Alpha? Give it to Jason, the last guy.
Yeah, give it to Yason. Did we give away an account yesterday? We both left in such a hurry yesterday. I don't even remember if we had an account to give away yesterday. Do you remember?
I think we did. Mods will let us know. If not, we'll double up on it. We have a double up winner too.
Like, we gotta get the hell out.
We have a double up winner. Who's a double up winner?
Oh shit, we have a double up winner. DSS Equity.
Is he here today? Is he watching?
Nope.
He's not. All right. Well, we'll take care of it. We'll take care of it on Monday then. We'll get him set up.
Yeah.
Look. All right. That's all I got. Hobby, what do you got?
Yeah, nothing new, y'all. Just make sure you guys follow our socials: X, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all that fun stuff. Check out Logan's YouTube for anything with his PHP. Check out mine for anything quantum and MVG. I got a couple little MVG videos in there, one short one. And the last study session, I did break down a little bit of how I use MVG with NQ2. It led to a humongous play earlier today with Max's Confluence. So check those out. Make sure you guys tip the staff. Show your love. Obviously, they're always in here dealing with all of our, idiot minds. We all get retarded sometimes, so it's a part of it. Make sure you guys also. I forgot what I was gonna say, bro. I'm like so blanked out right now. Make sure you guys also check out the wait list for the Maestro course that we will announce the date at the Blitz. So lock in for that. Sauce box. There's a bunch of stuff I'm going to go over. A bunch of stuff. So it's going to be fun. I'm so pumped for it. Cannot wait. And other than that, y'all enjoy your weekend. We had a killer fucking week. It's been amazing. I had an insane end of the month. Like a killer streak of payouts. I am so fucking stoked to get to Cali already. To get to Florida already. Like, I can't wait. This is going to go by so fucking fast, man. Not financial advice with JJ's. we got. I'm tired.
Yankee, kick it. Later, everybody. Have a good weekend.
Peace out.
Heat on my hydro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my hydro. Heat on my hydro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, turned into my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little chip, one and shit, turned into a chip. We in and out quick. At my hydro, heat on my hydro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my hydro, heat on my hydro. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero.
Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Probably need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon blind. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt. But you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift, then I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift. We in and out quick. At my